good, y'all niggas? It's the death of y'all pussy niggas. Come on. We got Flyboy DJ and my bro Flyboy Vic. You know how we do it. Come on. I'm getting tired of you fake niggas. I'm getting tired of you fake niggas. I had to say it twice because I'm tired of shit. I had to say it twice because I'm blasting quick. I had to say it yeah because I'm real spoken. I had to say it yeah cause a nigga is outspoken. I had to do it cause your motherfuckers really choking. I had to do it cause you motherfuckers really choking. You pussy ass niggas don't deserve a thing in these streets. Pussy ass niggas don't deserve a thing in these heat. But I'ma come with the death of these pussy niggas that come around pulling the trigger, chop when the bullets hit you. Come on, and stop playing with the games, man. Stop playing with this Subaru game, man. All you fool niggas, we coming for you, man. All you fool niggas, we straight hitting, man. Cause I'm hungry, yeah, I'm ready to eat ya. Cause I'm really hungry, I'm ready to beat ya. I'm ready to sleep ya for a long time, man. Rest in peace in the ground, 6 feet down, man. Come on now, I don't play with it. Rest in peace, you pussy niggas, coming straight, get it. Bye-bye. Lil Vic. He said he coming around with the heat. You better duck niggas cause he coming around with the heat. With the beam on it, you know he not missing. Scope right there so you know he not missing. No, he not tricking, cause tricking if you got it. Niggas come around straight lying with the topics. You wanna throw it in the bag, I'ma snatch the bag and snatch your rag. So niggas stop playing, it's death for pussy niggas. Niggas stop playing, you can come and get it. Niggas stop playing, you can straight get it. Motherfuckers know how I do it, straight get it. I can stack on you nigga, that's how I do it. You think I'm fool nigga, come and get fluent. Yeah, that come and step to me. You can come around nigga, come and step to me. Subaru gang east side is what I'm banging. Niggas round here not claiming shit they banging. Wearing the red flag out they pocket, or wearing the blue flag out I cock it. And now you know I'm sweet cause it's bad by block shit. We just playing with y'all niggas though, you know what I mean? With your niggas, cause if we wanted real shit, you can come and get the trigger. We got the 4 pound on the hip ready to split ya. Got the 9 on the waist, yeah, ready to split ya. I ain't one time with the head with the get ya. Stomping on you niggas like I'm doing a crip with ya. Stomping on you niggas like I'm doing a jerk with ya. Do the reject on your head, come and get ya. Jerking on these niggas like I'm motherfucking get ya. I might not be your new boy, but I will come in. Fuck.